Welcome back, student. Today we will talk about deviations from Mendel's laws. देखिए, what are deviations from Mendel's laws? As we discussed in Mendel's law, Mendel considered a single gene or single character is controlled by a single gene. A single character is controlled by a single gene. In F1 hybrid, only dominant character is expressed according to Mendel's law. In F1 hybrid, dominant characters is expressed, but sometimes gene do not show dominant character. They do not show their dominant recessive relationship. That is called Mendel's deviation. और यहाँ पर अभी हम जो फर्स्ट डेविएशन पढ़ रहे हैं दैट इज इनकम्प्लीट डोमिनेंस. व्हाट इज इनकम्प्लीट डोमिनेंस? देखिए, व्हेन टू जीन्स और एलिल्स आर ब्रॉट टुगेदर दे शो इंटरमीडिएट कंडीशन. बट मैंडल ने क्या कहा था कि जो अगर हम व्हेन टू जीन्स और एल्स कम टुगेदर दे डू नॉट ब्लेंड विद ईच अदर अकॉर्डिंग टू फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ मैंडल, दैट इज लॉ ऑफ डोमिनेंस. तो यहाँ पर ये लॉ ऑफ डोमिनेंस यहाँ पर रॉन्ग प्रूव हो रहा है. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पर क्या है कि व्हेन टू जीन्स और एल्स कम टुगेदर दे शो इंटरमीडिएट कंडीशन. Genes neither show dominant nor show recessive relationship. That is called incomplete dominance. This incomplete dominance is found in Mirabilis jalapa, and snapdragon plant. We can understand this incomplete dominance by following example. See, when a red flower variety of Mirabilis jalapa, red flower variety is dominant character in Mirabilis jalapa. So, we will represent as capital R, capital R. When a red variety of Mirabilis jalapa cross with recessive variety, that is white flower. This variety is having white flower and this variety is having red flower. When red flower variety is crossed with white flower, these are parents. Gamete formation. Gamete formation means meiosis, gametogenesis. When they fertilize or pollinated, this is F1 generation. This is F1 generation. F1 generation or F1 hybrid should have red flower, but we get pink flower instead of red flower. We should have red flower, but we get pink flower. So we can see here neither dominant express nor recessive express. That is called incomplete dominance. This color is mixture of both. Red plus white equals to pink. So pink variety flower appears in F1 hybrid. Clear? Then Mendel's first law, what state? It states that in F1 hybrid only dominant characters express. अभी तक हमने यही पढ़ा. बट यहाँ पर अगर F1 हाइब्रिड का सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन कराया तो दिस वेराइटी इज सेल्फ पॉलिनेटेड. सेल्फ पॉलिनेटेड मीन्स सेम फ्लावर. गैमेट कौन कौन से फॉर्म होंगे? One gamete is having capital R and other is having small r. Similarly, capital R, small r. We can show here. Capital R, small r, capital R, small r. When capital R gamete cross with this gamete having capital R, then hybrid will be RR. Here capital R, small r. Here कैपिटल आर स्मॉल आर, यहाँ पर हम कैपिटल डोमिनेंट है इसलिए यहाँ पर पहले लिखा है, ठीक है, हियर स्मॉल आर. If we see phenotype, this variety is having red flower because it is exact copy to its parent, red. This is pink because it shows incomplete dominance. Dominant character क्या है? Capital R. It does not express completely itself, so it is incomplete dominant character. So it appears pink. And this one is exact copy of its recessive parent, so it shows white variety of flower. So we can see phenotype is one red, two pink, and one white. So 1:2:1 is phenotype. If we see genotype, capital R is one plant, capital R small r, two plant, and small r, one plant. Out of 4 plant we get one of R, capital R, two plants of capital R and small r, and one is of small r. So what we conclude that is phenotypic and genotypic ratio is same in incomplete dominance. Genotypic and phenotypic ratio is same. It is most important. Generally it's a RBSC's famous question, one of the famous question, incomplete dominance. Right short, not an incomplete dominance, it repeated many times. So don't skip this. So what is incomplete dominance? I hope you have understood with this example. Clear? Now we will discuss about second example, deviation from Mendel's law, that is codominance.